Singapore Airlines Boeing 737 MAX 8 Business Class Singapore to Bali. After checking in at Terminal 3, headed to the Silverkris Lounge. Boarding the Boeing 737 MAX 8 that has a unique to layout with a throne seat on each side. Welcome champagne and Bellini. Checking out the headphones, water and menu left at our seats. Singapore to Bali dinner menu. Pushback and takeoff from Singapore. Exploring the seat features. Dinner was served after takeoff. Surprise anniversary cake on board. Setting up the bed for a nap. Stretching my legs and using the lavatory before landing. Landing into Bali and getting a separate bus for business class passengers to the terminal.